eventually. So instead of fear mongering, I think we need to change the conversation and focus on solutions. How can we create new ecosystems in the metaverse that will just be more customer friendly and not exploit customers, not exploit users as social media has, and just making sure companies are accountable, not be used as a tool to fuel wars in certain countries, not be used as a tool to fuel like chaos around the world. How can we ensure that it's a safe space? These are the conversations that we need to be having. These are the questions that we need to be having, because ultimately the metaverse is inevitable. So those are my thoughts on that. Fear mongering around the metaverse. What are your thoughts? Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, all the above. My name is Kenim, and see you next time. Peace.